First, stretch and fold. Okay, tengok dia dah strong. Okay, so now kita akan cover dengan tepung sebab kita nak flip it out. Okay, to those who've been asking what I'm making ciabatta today. Dah lama tak buat. Dia memang makan masa sikit lah. Okay, so dah macam ni. Kita akan flip it out. So workstation pun kena flour juga. Kita flour sikit lah sebab yang ni pun kita dah flour kan. So kita nak flip it. Okay, careful. Dia memang shaggy dough. Memang a bit wet lah. Okay, I nak besarkan sikit the surface of the dough. Basahkan tangan. Kita jangan tekan. Kita just nak tarik dia ke tepi. You know, stretch the dough a bit. Okay, jangan rough handle the dough sebab kita nak all the bubbles tu. Okay, okay, good. Okay, just gentle handle the dough. Yeah, water is your best friend. Kalau you nampak ni kan, ni semua air bubbles. Okay. Okay. Okay, now kita nak letak flour on top also. So kita nak potong kan dough ni. Kita nak letak dalam tray. Okay, dough scraper bagi ikut berapa banyak yang you nak. I'm gonna make 8 loaf and divide it into make sure you potong betul-betul lah. Okay, ni tray dah siap dan kita nak pindahkan. Yes, memang this dough is very wet. Okay, you need a lot of flour to handle the dough. I'm out of practice, dah lama tak buat. I think I can manage. Biar dia slide off. Bentuk masukkan dia balik. Okay, dia very wet. Roti ni sedap. Sedap buat sandwiches, you know. Memang sedap. Sedap sangat-sangat. Itulah, it's quite a pain to handle. Dia tak boleh. And bentuk dia memang you cannot. Dia takkan uniform. Bentuk dia ikut suka hati dia. Okay. Okay, I akan pindahkan yang lain dan I show you after everything smooth lah. Okay, semua dah pindah. Okay, kita nak kasih dia rehat dalam 20 minutes. Okay, you can top it with a bit of flour lagi. So, nanti kita nak tutup dengan kain. Sekarang kan dia melekat dekat kain pula kan. So, biar dia rehat 20 minit. Dan oven sedang dipanaskan. So, dia akan bakar at very high heat. Dalam 230 hingga 250 darjah Celsius. Dah ready untuk bake. Oven kita dah preheat. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, temperature dia dah over 200 degrees, which is just nice. Okay, dah nak masuk. Belum lagi. To create steam, and then masukkan 1 ice cube dan tutup. And then we wait. Bakar dalam 30 minit. Okay, it's done. It is done, and you can smell. Ah, sedap gila bau. And inilah rupa dia. Baked to perfection. Okay, you can see masa I masuk dalam oven dia lepeh kan. So bila dalam oven dia ada oven spring. So look, and a bit hot but cantik. It's hollow, so maknanya it's cooked. So it's still hot. So I'm just gonna biar dulu, and then we are going to cut it in half and letak filling. Cut one. It looks so good. So I'm gonna cut this one. Let's hear the ooh. Okay. Okay, you want to see the holes inside kan? Ciabatta dia very airy. So if it's airy, then I did it correctly. There. So lembut with very thin, crispy skin. I think I got the wrong knife. Yeah, look at that. Cantik kan? Okay, I buat 1 egg punya egg mayo. Simple, just mayonnaise, pepper, and a bit of Worcestershire sauce. And ni yang saya potong tadi. So just gonna letak the filling. Tak payah sapu apa-apa, pelik-pelik. I just want to taste the bread and the filling. That's it. Nothing else. I'm just gonna enjoy this. Sekarang we're gonna eat it with chicken. So I think I'm gonna bake another batch of ciabatta. So esok budak-budak boleh bawa bekal lah. Yang mana yang pergi sekolah kan. Syakir seorang je lah tak sekolah. Mike boleh bawa bekal. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sedap. Oh, satisfaction. This is grilled chicken with spinach. Okay, if you suka roti yang jenis lembut, senang nak kunyah, then ciabatta or any type of sourdough bread is not for you. Sebab high hydration punya bread ni dia memang chewy. Tapi sedap. Dia macam satu kepuasan when you kunyah, okay? And it holds the filling very well.